Hi, I'm Louise and I currently work for Network Rail as a bridge engineer. However, in a post-apocalyptic world, I doubt there'll be much railway work going on. However, bridges are still going to be needed. You've got to cross the stream, you've got to cross a river, you've got to cross a ravine. But how do bridges work? Most bridges follow the same principle of tension and compression. It can be as simple as a plank crossing a stream, or maybe even this sponge. I've drawn these lines on just to show tension and compression. Tension is along the bottom face, where you can see it's getting stretched outwards, and compression is along the top face, where it's getting bent inwards, squished in. That tension and compression is how all bridges work, and different materials act in different ways. You'll have seen, probably, now the world's all gone to pot, that a lot of bridges have fallen down, mainly your concrete and your steel ones, and that's because they've not been looked after. Whereas your masonry arches have stayed up because they're a lot stronger. In order to make concrete a bit stronger, we tend to put in some reinforcement. You could kind of say that these act like the steel reinforcement. And what the reinforcement does is it provides that strength within it to resist the tension and compression forces. So now we've got a little bit of reinforcement in this sponge. And can you see now how it is a bit stronger when I try to bend it? This reinforcement is resisting this load going down and helping to stop it to bend, meaning that this bridge will last a lot longer.
For more information about our school's workshop, Keep Calm, I'm an Engineer, check out our website and connect with us through Facebook and Twitter.